Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. Hello, you guys. It's Krissy and Marie back with another video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then
why is you leaning on me?
Then what are you doing?
I am not a pole.
He is not a pole. So what are you doing? Y'all, so I'm gonna touch up my hair because I gotta work today. So it's like, why not record myself touching up my hair, you know, add a little razzle dazzle. It really don't even look bad for real, but I'm not going to work with no messy bun, honey. I don't know, I probably could though, because this young low-key already look cute. But we finna fix it up, and y'all are finna watch me while I do it, so stay tuned. All right, let's get into this hairstyle because your girl is pressed for time because I gotta go to work. As y'all see, y'all gonna watch me do my hair for work, which is gonna consist of a bun because I ain't got time to be going through that. For me to wear my hair out at work is a process, and if I was gonna do that, I should have been gotten up because yes, it takes forever because I gotta run gel through it, all of that. I was gonna do a skunk strike, but I don't even think I'm gonna have time to do that. So we're not even finna worry about all that. I'm basically just gonna spray the ends of my hair. Like, as you can see, my curls are pretty much defined. I don't need them too defined. I was gonna add some more product, but normally with my hair, product is gonna remain there. All I gotta do is spray some water on it to reactivate it. You know, they had deactivated. That water gonna reactivate it. Look freaking fool. Like, why would I do that to myself? We're just gonna keep it because, like, it's already there. Like, I clearly did not think before doing this, but it's okay because it's already in my hair. I can't go back, so we just gonna finish applying. All right, so try not to get this on my shirt. We done added our little skunk stripe. You did see it. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I need a towel. Hopefully it shouldn't do it. Okay, so I'm gonna add my Eco all around. You already know the green. We use the green to clear the argan oil over here. I gotta re-up on some more products. This is one thing about being natural, y'all. My hair is so bougie. My hair does not like cheap, all types of products. I ain't gonna say cheap, because Eco is pretty cheap. My hair don't like everything. Like, it's very specific. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna brush it up. Even the edges. Boom. All right, so now we're gonna get our hair tie, which is mine is a stocking, and I use it because it doesn't pop off my hair. So now I'm just gonna wrap it around my fingers and tie it upward. So like that, honey. All right, so now I'm gonna hold my head down like this. And I'm only holding my head down just so like I don't tie up my hair, like, you know, the straight pieces, because it does happen. Now I'm gonna tie it again. Tie it in the back. Y'all see that? Yeah. Tie it in the back. We're gonna tie it in because my hair likes to unravel sometimes. Tie, now we're gonna wrap it around. Y'all see my little skunk stripe, right? Y'all see me. Got it on my forehead. Okay. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna fluff out my puff. I ain't gonna add no more products to it, and that's just cause like I need it to be puffy. So I'm just gonna wrap it. Which way I'm gonna wrap it? Wrap it like this. I feel like this gonna look so freaking slack. And maybe it's just me because I ain't got no bobby pins. We got to get it right because I don't like this. I'm gonna have to use my little hair tie. All right, so boom. Got this skunk stripe. Can I believe I put this in my hair? Preferred. I would have preferred what you call it? Blonde. Okay, so I'm gonna get my edge control just cause like that stuff made my hair a little difficult to kind of like get some edge control. And I always do this because I like this sleek look. I don't like all them things. Hair is flying. All right, so what we're gonna do now, edges, brush out. I'm going for kind of like dramatic edges today. Edge brush, right? So I like to start off in the center, which, you know, some people will call a willow's peak. I do separate it like that. I get my finger, then boom. I don't like that swoop. My finger, then boom. Now I'm gonna get this finger. I mean, not this finger, this edge. Then gonna swoop it up like that. Now I'm going on this side here. Swoop de doo. See that swoop? Okay, now I'm just gonna swoop all over. Now, I'm gonna do my little sideburns. And y'all, that's it. Y'all see me. Hold on. We don't want to see that because I don't like how that swoop hair looked just now. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna tie my hair down for like a minute or so, then we're gonna come back and look at it. Ogre. Hi. All right, y'all, so I'm back. It's 12:38, so I gotta leave in a little bit. So we're gonna take this off. You see how this turned out, because I know it's turned out good regardless. Yes, sir. It's a little skunk stripe, you did. something slight. It's just a little one. Done with, you know, hair wax. Because I ain't that bold to be trying to dye my hair. But, you know, I'm ready for work. Or whatever. Let me turn up my brightness so y'all can see me for real. Yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If y'all want to see more videos of me doing my hair for work, just getting ready, a GRN period, ASMR, hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, vlogs, anything, y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all want to see next, because I'm interested to hear. And I'm interested in doing that for y'all. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all of that. You already know my motto here, true K baby. Stay lifting, stay encouraged. Always, don't let nobody ruin your day. We are determined to have a good day on today. And that's on what? That's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. Love you, K babies.
You blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. I swear I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my